Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here, and in this video you're going to see how you can quickly collect big paydays by legally hijacking free targeted traffic and authority from 4 of the biggest sites online today. I'm talking about legally hijacking traffic and authority from YouTube, Wikipedia, BBC, and Quora. Yup. That's the biggest video site on the planet, the biggest wiki site on the planet, one of the biggest news sites on the planet, and one of the biggest Q&A sites on the planet as well. How, you might be wondering? Well, the software that I'm about to show you will find you domains that people have posted on those 4 sites I just mentioned. However, for one reason or another, they forgot to renew the domain. Yup, perfectly good domains that are still getting a ton of traffic and authority that have expired and are waiting for you to pick them up for just $10 or less, and you can redirect that traffic anywhere you want. But more importantly, you're going to be able to turn that traffic into profit like this, where you can see this one campaign has brought in over $422, like this one that's brought in a quick $143, like this one that brought in just under $1,000, and this one that has already produced over $5,000 and counting. And this one that brought in a quick $74 on ClickBank, okay? However, I want you to know that what you're about to see doesn't just work for us, okay? Right below this video, you're gonna see a bunch of more proof of income that we've been able to make. However, this works for countless of our users as well, okay? Because what you're about to see is the 2.0 version of our platform, which has been greatly improved to bring you a lot more results from a lot more different sites, okay? And here are just a few of the testimonials that we've been able to get from our users, okay? And there's multiple ways to be able to profit from our platform as well, which you'll also be able to read about below this video. We posted 10 different ways that you can make money with our platform. And here, Jayun found a powerful expired domain that he's going to be using for his PBN sites, okay? So that's one way to be able to make money from this platform. Here is Joanne that within 10 minutes of searching in her niche, okay, she was able to find a great domain that was able to drive traffic to her offers, okay? Here, Michael, not only was he able to generate leads, okay, he made a $350 commission, but down here you can see that he's generating new leads as well with our platform. Okay, and Jayun here purchased a domain for $9 and sold it for $1,500 as well. Okay, so she immediately put a quick payday in her pocket by flipping the domain, which is again another way that you can make money with this platform. Okay, and here Verilyn picked up a domain an expired domain that was posted below a YouTube video, okay, that with videos that have up to 34,000 views and other ones with over 10,000 views, and the domain that she picked up was valued at over $1,400, okay, and she picked it up for under $10. So these are the kind of results and the kind of different things that you can do with our platform to not only get quick traffic and earn quick commissions, but you can flip them for big paydays. You can get a bunch of traffic and redirect that traffic to any offer that you want. So there are, again, multiple ways that you can get results with this platform. And the best thing is that all you have to do is just pick up our software, follow our direction, and you too can get these kind of results as well, okay? So let's go ahead and jump into the software, because we've literally set up our app to be a simple 4-step process, okay? And here I am inside of the members area, and step 1 is pretty much to figure out which keyword or which niche it is that you want to hijack in, okay? If you already know what niche and what keyword it is that you want to hijack in, then you can just come in here directly to the research tab and start running your searches. However, if you don't quite yet know what keyword or what niches it is that you want to go into, you can come here to the keyword tab, and we have a full keyword system built into MyTrafficJacker. So if I come in here and type in weight loss, which is one of obviously the most popular niches, with one click, one keyword turns into multiple keywords that you can potentially hijack in, okay? And all you have to do if you see one that catches your attention is to click this magnifying glass here, and it will take you to the research tab, okay? So if you want to search for weight loss smoothies, you click on that and it's going to directly take you to the research tab, which is also here on the left hand side. The next step from here is for you to decide whether you want to hijack from YouTube, Wikipedia, BBC, or Quora. Okay, now obviously you see that there are multiple other sites built into here as well, and you'll be able to learn about how you can unlock those in the upgrade offer number 1. Okay, so if you want to be able to hijack from other sites plus other sites that we add into the system, you'll want to make sure you pay attention to upgrade number 1. However, again, you can choose YouTube, Wikipedia, BBC, or Quora. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and choose Quora for now. And then from here, you can also input if you want our system to ignore certain domains that obviously aren't expired. I'm just gonna go ahead and create that search for now. Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here. Just wanted to quickly interrupt this video with my crazy quarantine hair. But real quick, my partner, Paul Venables, who is the main brains behind the MyTrafficJacker system, he has a quick message that he wanted to include in this demo video, which is also a bit of a case study, so that you can see some additional features and some additional thought processes that he goes through when it comes to searching for targeted traffic with MyTrafficJacker. So I'm gonna switch it over to him real quick, and then I'll come back and wrap up my portion of the video, and then you guys can go ahead and pick up your copy of MyTrafficJacker. So I'm gonna go ahead and shoot it over to Paul Venables, and then I'll come back and finish up.
Hey, it's Paul Venables here, and now I'm going to show you some additional sites that we've added to MyTrafficJacker 2.0. And pay close attention because I'm also going to be showing you results of domains that have been expired on authority sites and places that have a lot of traffic, some of which may even be available right now for you to pick up. So here's a search we did by using the Quora website we have inside of MyTrafficJacker for this keyword custom keto diet free. This keyword was found by using the keyword search tool that we have built inside of MyTrafficJacker to find various versions of a root keyword, to find different related keywords to search for. And although this wouldn't be a keyword I would normally search, I'm actually pretty glad that it was, because we were able to find an enormous amount of results. As you can see right here, 275 target links. And so if you see on my scroll bar here, we have a ton of results to look through. And I can just click has available domains, and then you'll see we have lots that are available and ready to pick up right away. Some of them may be getting targeted traffic, and some of them may have page authority and domain authority as well that we could use to backlink one of our properties that we want to rank higher. And the first result we see here is ketomealhero.com. As you can see, we can pick it up in Namecheap or GoDaddy. And if we were to click right into here, we could view the article in Quora where this domain has been mentioned. So right here, what we have is a little question: can you share a simple keto meal plan for a beginner? And if we scroll a little bit lower, we'll discover this answer right here, where we have our expired domain that's been found with MyTrafficJacker 2.0. And it has 4.2 thousand views for this answer and 42 upvotes. So lots of views here just for this one question. And there are several other links, of course, so this is not going to get all the attention just from this one link, because there's other links that have been dropped as well. But it's nice to see it's right here. It's coming in number 1, and there's a bunch of views to it. So if you're interested in pursuing the keto niche, or you already have some properties that you want to build more traffic and authority to, this could be something worth picking up. Going back, we can then confirm in Namecheap real quick that this domain is available. And if you want to look more into the domain, you can click on the actions button and then click the ocean search to find everything associated to this domain as well. So now I just want to show you some results that were found in Forbes, which is just one of the many other sites that you'll get access to in the upgrade option. So in this example, I'm just going to do a quick search for saving money and then click create and see what we can find for that keyword. And because I'm using Forbes, there should be a lot of different articles that are, and as you can see here, it already found 99 results and 1,799 links and 34 target links. So those mean links that are broken and could be available to pick up. Now, even though some may say that they're not available to buy right now, we've still added in the functionality for you to manually recheck and also put in an alert so that you will know exactly when it expires. So this is not available. And so there's 34 of them in here if we wanted to go through and take a closer look. So after combing through a few links, you may find some that come up like the happy hour finder here that I've been trying to load up top here for a little while, and it just keeps on saying that it's waiting. So obviously there's something, this is one of the many broken links that we found, and it doesn't seem to be working. So we can just go into Whois, check it out, see that it's expiring in January. And that we can set a little reminder here by clicking this bell button to let us know when it's going to expire. Because as you can see, look, this is what just happened here. That it says the site can't be reached. There's some serious problems going on with it, and they may just have forgotten about it, and it may just be a matter of time for when that domain is set to renew and it drops and becomes available for you to come and buy it. So now I want to show you another example as well with using the BBC for doing a search on an investment term and finding an expired domain with authority that we can use to rank higher in the search engines. So when we click into has available domains, we'll find the domain that's been expired, and then we can simply just copy and paste that domain to check on the domain authority by using a free domain authority checking resource like we have here. So we can just paste in our domain here. And then what I'm also going to do is I'm going to take this specific URL that we found from the BBC and add it in here as well, because we want to check out the page authority. Now, the domain authority is not going to change no matter where it is in the BBC, because bbc.com is the domain, but the page authority will, because some pages of that site will be more authoritative than others. And so I'm just going to click that I'm not a robot and then check this real quick. Okay, great. So now we can see, it's kind of hard to tell, but this starting in MA will indicate that it's that domain, and this one here will be the BBC one. As you can see, the domain authority in the BBC is 95. The page authority, so the authority of that page where my backlink is, where the website is that I'm going to buy, that one is a 44. And then the site that we can just buy right now because it's expired and ready to pick up, that has a domain authority of 13 and page authority of 14. So not only does that have authority right there, but we can also have a backlink from the BBC that's on a specific page with a page authority of 44. So that's a very strong backlink. So in the investment niche where this is from, if we had a YouTube video or website in that niche, then we can get a relevant backlink with page authority and domain authority that's also getting a very powerful backlink to that. So that overall looks very natural and can help us rank higher. And not only that, but a site like the BBC does get a lot of readers and a lot of traffic. So you could be getting more targeted traffic to your link, and you could use it as a selling point as well, having a link in the BBC if you wanted to flip a domain like this for a profit.
That's how powerful it is to come in here and hijack traffic with MyTrafficJacker. And again, you can hijack traffic from YouTube, Quora, Wikipedia, and BBC, okay? And once you do that, you can pick up those domains automatically. We also have some other features here on the left-hand side, which I'm sure you'll see. Some of them are part of our upgrade offers, just like our domain reminders feature. This one also allows you to ensure that you don't miss out on any domains, because like I said, just because the domain isn't available today doesn't mean it's not going to be available tomorrow. So you can set a domain reminder so that MyTrafficJacker will send you an email once the domain has actually expired, because if these domains are broken for some reason but they're not expired yet, there's a good chance that the person has already forgotten about that domain name. Okay, but the domain just hasn't yet expired. So with the domain reminder feature, you can set a reminder and it will let you know exactly when that domain expires, okay? And you can be the first one in line to pick that up. Our subjackers feature is again another part of our upgrade offer that will allow you to give VA access to your VA to be able to hijack for you all the time, okay, so that you don't actually have to be the one in here running searches. Our affiliate spy feature will allow you to find high converting offers, so that you can monetize your offers right away, monetize your domains right away. So if I come in here and click weight loss and hit the search button, you'll see that within MyTrafficJacker, you'll be able to find high converting offers with big paydays right away. Okay, and again, this is one of our upgrade features, so make sure that you check out each one when you're going through the funnel. Okay, and the Academy is also upgrade number 2, I believe, where you'll be able to get multiple case studies on how we use MyTrafficJacker to not only find domains, monetize domains, how do we redirect traffic, and how we pick our offers as well. So this is MyTrafficJacker in a nutshell. There's also going to be a case study that you can see somewhere on this page or somewhere on the sales page, so make sure you check that out as well. But besides that, guys, MyTrafficJacker is one of the easiest ways and one of the easiest strategies that you can use right now to get near instant traffic in any niche by easily purchasing expired domains that people have completely forgotten about, that are still getting traffic and still getting authority by being posted on YouTube, BBC, Wikipedia, and Quora. Okay, so again, there's also 10 different ways that you can monetize your MyTrafficJacker campaigns. Posted below so that you know exactly how you can make money with this platform, even though I've already mentioned a few of them by how our users are using them to make money. Okay, so again, very special offer we have going on right now, especially during our 2.0 grand opening. So make sure you click the link below, add this to your arsenal, and start getting near instant traffic in any niche right away.